which TV show do you watch? Or what TV show do you watch? Do you find it confusing to make a choice between the pronouns which and what? If yes, then this video is a must-watch for you. Hi there, I am Vani from Ingvarta. If you're new here, let me tell you. On this channel, we share videos on English speaking tips and confusing grammar topics. So if you want to improve your spoken English, then consider subscribing to this channel. And if you're looking for an English speaking environment, then also check out our Ingvarta mobile application, where you can talk with live English experts.
Ingvarta, your English practice playground. No judgment, only motivation and constructive feedback.
Here are the answers to the quiz from our video on the correct use of articles a and the. If you have not watched that video, not a problem. The link will be shared in the description box below. Now it's time for the big shout out. I recall saying that I will only take top 5 names, but since so many of you got the quiz right, I will take top 10 names here. So, here are the names: Sundar Dharel, Salah Firdaus, Alfez Kohkar, Rathod Balunayak, Priyanka, Sonia, Divya, Mukesh, Dattatreya Nimbalkar, and Ramalingeshwar Rao. Congratulations to all of you for being the first one to get the questions right. And I appreciate the efforts of everyone who actively participated in the quiz. Now let's start today's lesson. Which versus what? What is used when you have to make a choice among infinite possibilities, or when the options are large? For example, if I ask you, what's your favorite holiday destination? There are so many options, right? So, in questions like these, you will always use what? Similarly, when you have to make a choice and the options are comparatively less or limited, we will use which. For example, which is your favorite restaurant in town? Or which pair of shoes should I wear? In both the sentences, I have a limited choice. So, we will use which in these sentences. Now that you know the basic difference between which and what, let's do a quiz together to put your knowledge to test. So let's start with our first question. Dash is your favorite cuisine. What do you think? What is the right answer? Is it which or what? Are you given any choice of meal here? No, right? So the correct answer will be what? But if the question was, Dash is your favorite cuisine, Indian, Italian or Chinese, then the correct answer then will be which, because you are given 3 choices. Moving on to our next question. Dash project are you working on currently? What is the right answer for this one? It actually depends on who is asking you this question. If a friend is asking you this question who has no knowledge about your projects, then the correct answer will be what. But if a manager who himself gave you 3 to 4 projects to work on is asking you this question, then the correct answer will be which, because he wants to know which project are you working on currently. Let's look at our next question. Dash time will you go to the airport? So what is the right answer? What or which? The correct answer is what. There is no definite time given here as an option. Let's look at our next question. Dash day this week are you flying to America? So, what is the right answer for this question? Which or what? The correct answer is which, because we are talking about a specific day within this week. Moving on to the next question. Dash, one of your sisters lives in Delhi. The right answer for this one is also which, because it is already implied that one of the sisters lives in Delhi. So which one is it? Moving on to our final question. By dash time and dash day are you available next week? Quickly tell me the answers for this one. Well, the correct answers are by what time and which day are you available next week? I hope that you are confident about when to use which and when to use what. In case if you have a confusing situation where you have no idea what will be the right choice, then write it down in the comment section below. And I will help you then and there itself. Moving on to your assignment. You will see a question being displayed on the screen. Fill in the blank with the correct option. I will see you soon in our next video. Till then, take care and happy learning.
Ingvarta, your English practice playground. No judgment, only motivation and constructive feedback.